Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Singh Rathore and today I came with the story of the untold, the unsung, the great warrior of Mahabharata. On the 14th day of the great war, the dawns red with the fury. Arjuna came to know that his beloved son Abhimanyu killed by the Kauravas in the battleground. He was full of sadness. He was full of anger and he has taken oath that he will kill the Jayadratha or he will destroy himself into the fire. Once again, the battle begins in the field of Kurukshetra. Arjuna had taken charge to killing Kaurava's army, but he had responsibility. He had the greatest responsibility on his shoulder to protect his Maharaja, his king Maharaj Yudhishthir. And on that day, he had transferred that responsibility to the unsung, the untold, the great warrior Satyaki. Satyaki was Yadvanshi and he was disciple of Arjuna and Krishna. He was also the chief of Narayani Sena, the greatest army of that era. He had resigned from that position to join Pandavas before Mahabharata battle. On that day, he not even taken the responsibility to protect his king Yudhishthir, but also he has started destroying. He had also started destroying and killing the Kauravas army. On that day, he was looking like a Kal Bhairava and doing Tandav on the Kaurav Sena. On that day, no one warrior stand long enough in front of him against him. He was just unstoppable. He was just unstoppable. He had beaten so many Kauravas warrior like Dronacharya, Aswathama, Duryodhana, Kritvarma, etc. And he had beaten 6 times. He had beaten Karna 6 times in the same battleground and spared his life due to the oath of Arjuna. On that day, he was looks like the blend of Arjuna and Krishna. He used his bow like Arjuna and makes a strategy like Krishna. He was the greatest amongst all the warrior on that day. In the Drona Parva, Sanjay also used to say that Maharaja Dhritarashtra, there were no warrior, no archer like these three. They are Krishna, Arjuna, and Satyaki. No one can defeat Satyaki today, and he was one of the living warrior after the Mahabharata. Apart from all Pandavas, Krishna, Kritvarma, Kripachar, Aswathama, and himself also. On the single combat battle, he also killed Kritvarma. He was the greatest among all. Arjun used to tell like he is another version of Arjuna. So that much aura he had hold during the Mahabharata. So friends, do you like the story of Satyaki? If you want to study more or if you want to know more about Satyaki, you can read Mahabharata, listen podcast or watch my videos for another episodes. So today that was all about Satyaki from my side and tata bye bye sabakher.